Keep your back straight and legs firmly grounded. Close your eyes. Take deep breath. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Allow yourself to connect with Mother Nature. Breathe in, breathe out. Feeling the harmony and flow within. As you continue to take deep breath, connect with the soul, the energy. Breathe in, breathe out. Whether you call it universe or divine, feel its presence and embrace its guidance. Breathe in, breathe out. Now focus on releasing any negativity within you. Any tension, release it. Release any jealousy. Release any frustration. Release all the negative energies. Breathe in, breathe out. Relax. Stay calm. Relax your shoulders. Relax your body. Inhale the breath of fresh oxygen. Connect with the feeling of happiness, forgiveness, kindness, and love. Let these positive energies fill you up, nourishing your mind, body, and soul. Peace and love. Let these positive energies fill you up. Nourishing your mind, body, and soul. Take a few deep breaths, feeling yourself becoming more and more positive, at peace. Breathe in, breathe out. When you feel ready, slowly open your eyes. Carrying this sense of positivity and inner peace with you. Breathe in, breathe out.